सभी दर्शकों को नमस्कार. Welcome to this exciting session. In the previous session, we explored how modern AI tools can revolutionize your understanding of Darshan and philosophy. Like diving deep into profound questions like, what is the purpose of life? Or what is reality? Not alone, but with the help of cutting-edge AI assistants. Stay with me for the next 5 minutes, and you'll discover some of the best AI tools available, how they can simplify philosophical studies better than others, and why these tools are perfect for learners like you, whether beginner or advanced. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to check efficiency of a tool for learning purposes, but also get introduced to 13 different AI tools. We will use mainly free versions of these AI tools throughout the course. Why did I choose these 13 AI tools? These tools are better trained for generating human-like teaching experience. A same model like GPT-4 can produce a quality result on ChatGPT and a very poor result on other platforms based on trained datasets and server resources allocated. These tools with their clean user interface are easy to use as compared to tech-savvy models on GitHub or other such sites. Some tools also have multimodal capabilities, so you can ask for details in images. These tools allow an appropriate free limit, so you don't need to buy anything in the beginning. Here's a tip: combine tools. Use Perplexity for research, ChatGPT for explanations, and NotebookLM for organizing your learning. This way, you create a customized study system by utilizing their free limits. For example, let's say you're reading a book and want to use an AI tool for help. Use any tool wisely, knowing its best use case. If you are not ready to pay now, let's start with the game changer, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool is like having a virtual mentor at your fingertips. Want to explore Karma Maya or even Aristotle's virtue ethics? Just ask. For example, if you're struggling to understand the meaning of Nishkama Karma from the Bhagavad Gita, ChatGPT can provide a simple, relatable explanation in seconds. It's perfect for generating discussions and answering complex questions about Darshan. You can explore some pre-made GPTs on the GPT store. Next up is Perplexity AI, a fantastic research buddy. It gives you detailed answers along with references but may not brainstorm or imagine as good as ChatGPT. For instance, if you're researching Nyaya Darshan, Perplexity can provide definitions while showing you where to find more information. It's like having a teacher who not only explains but also guides you to trusted study materials. While ChatGPT shows sources where necessary, many prefer citations by Perplexity. Now let's talk about Gemini AI by Google. Curious about how Sankhya philosophy relates to modern science? Gemini can pull recent articles and give you verified insights. For those concerned about more free quality responses, Claude by Anthropic is your go-to AI. It gives nearly 30 responses per day for free, no matter how long your prompt length is. It's like a cautious philosopher. It ensures you get reliable answers. Let's not forget MetaAI and its tools like Hugging Face's Llama 2 chat. MetaAI is perfect for discussions on the go due to its integration in these social media apps. Think of it as a conversational partner who is always ready to debate with you. NotebookLM by Google is a hidden gem. This tool doesn't directly teach philosophy, but helps you organize your learning. For example, if you're studying the Vedas, you can use NotebookLM to create structured notes, summarize ideas, and even map out complex arguments. This tool uses provided links, texts, and other resources for its knowledge source, and is not good for imagination and creative tasks like Gemini, ChatGPT, or others. Looking for something conversational? Mistral AI. Licha is good for dialogue, as it doesn't have a limit on free trial like other tools, but it generates responses as good as ChatGPT. If you're pondering over life's big questions like, does free will exist? It will walk you through different perspectives. These tools are sufficient for free use, but I will suggest some other tools. Hugging Chat by Hugging Face and Poe by Quora provide unique features through their different models for those who enjoy diverse viewpoints. Want to know what AI models think about determinism versus free will? Poe lets you compare answers from different AI models to broaden your understanding. Hugging Face needs technical skills, but Hugging Chat lets you use different models with an easy-to-use interface. For students needing help with essays, WriteSonic and Microsoft Copilot are lifesavers. Imagine writing an essay on the connection between ahimsa and non-violence movements worldwide. These tools can help you structure your thoughts and produce a well-organized draft in no time. Lastly, Elicit and Philosopher by Yeschat are excellent for research and argument building. Elicit extracts data from research papers, and Yeschat has a lot of customized GPTs as good as OpenAI GPT Store. But it offers only a 7-day free trial where one can try fake emails if needed. You can check character.ai and DeepAI Dog yourself. So use these AI tools for learning Darshan. They save time by simplifying complex ideas. They make philosophical learning accessible, no matter your starting point. They spark curiosity and encourage critical thinking. To wrap up, today we explored a list of tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini AI, and others. Just a look at each. With these tools, learning is not just easier, it's exciting and interactive. So what's next? Join our free course for assignments and quizzes to practice what you've learned. धन्यवाद और नमस्कार, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.